Hey, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do a natural middle part look because I love looking as natural as possible. So this was like the quickest and easiest way is a glue in quick weave. Followed my eyebrows kind of to make my middle part, and my hair is really thin. My hair is really thin, so that's why I left more hair out. And I just braided my hair going down to the back. For my protective style, since this is going to be a glue-in, I'm just going to use this weave wrap. It was $7. Like, they really went up on this stuff. $7. I'm going to do this. And I'm just using one cap. I'm not using two. And I'm going to use a black cap. So this is just one bundle so far. My head is really small, and I'm kind of stacking these tracks, like not on top of each other, but 1 inch above each other. Like not even an inch, like but it's not directly on top of each other, but it's like directly above each other. So basically I would do, you see this line here, and I will put a track right above it, just like that, or a double track I meant. And I'm just gluing them on, and I'm going to glue them all the way to the top, and I'm just going just like this all the way till I get to the top. Again, this is just the first bundle. I do have 3 bundles, but we'll see. And these are this is 26 inch. I'm gonna straighten it out and bump it and all that other good stuff. So to make this as natural as possible, I got body wave weave, and make sure you are stacking your tracks as close as possible. I ended up using all 3 packs, even though my head is super small, but the hair was super thin, so I'll never buy this hair again. Or I'll just add some other bundles to it. I'll just buy some different bundles, but this hair was like super thin, but it did give off natural vibes. Okay, so here I am here putting in the wax stick. I'm going to put a little bit of wax on my hair because it will make your hair oily. Don't put a lot of wax, just do a little bit, just like I did on each end, and then use your silk spray or whatever silk spray you use on your actual leave out, and that'll keep your leave out straight for an entire week, so you don't have to keep pressing your hair. And no, I did not dye this hair. I did not dye my hair. It's just all natural brown. My hair is natural brown, so I just kept it that way, and it matched perfectly, and it looks super natural, as you guys can see. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I did. I didn't do anything special to keep it looking natural as possible. I just like it to be as super natural as I can be.